Do you ever sit next to your partner and feel like you're worlds apart? Like you're speaking but not really being heard? That's not just stress, it's emotional disconnection. And it's one of the biggest threats to intimacy. Today, I'll walk you through 3 ways to bridge that gap and feel close again to your partner. Hi, I'm Dr. Denali Holder Hammond, a couples and individual therapist, helping partners and individuals move from conflict and disconnection to clarity and closeness within themselves and their partners. This work is possible and powerful. In shift one, we have to recognize the disconnect without blame. Life can get pretty busy. Emotional check ins disappear. Resentment builds quietly. Instead of "you never talk to me," you want to probably start saying, "I miss feeling close to you. Can we check in tonight?" In shift two, we create intentional moments of connection. In my intensives and sessions, we help couples create rituals of connection, simple daily check ins like, "What was one high and low moment of your day? Is there anything you need from me today, this week, this weekend?" These aren't big gestures, they're lifelines. The more you do them, the better. In shift three, we want to learn to repair emotional injuries. When we don't name hurts, we store them. Small things turn into distance. So try this. When that happened, I felt I needed, can we talk about it? Learning to repair in the moment keeps disconnection from growing into discontent. You don't need to feel lonely in your own relationship. You can feel seen, heard, and close again. If you want support creating that kind of connection, I'd love to help you through a session or an intensive to help you and your partner become closer together.